Okay, well, welcome everybody. Thank you for being here. My name is Darren Smith. I'm the interim U.S. Attorney, and we're glad to see such a great turnout. So I'm pleased to announce a successful operation that was carried out by Safe Trails Task Force with the goal of eliminating drugs and illegal firearms that have really threatened and plagued the lives of the Eastern Shoshone and Northern Arapaho Wind River on the Wind River Indian Reservation. Thanks to President Trump and Operation Take Back America, law enforcement has been empowered at the highest level to act boldly and hold bad actors accountable to make our communities safer. This includes the Wind River Indian Reservation, Fremont County, and really all the communities within the state of Wyoming. We didn't do it alone. This is a partnership, and so this is a collaboration. We want to give a shout out and a thank you for all of our partners, and that includes the FBI, the tribal police, the state and local police departments, especially the Highway Patrol and the Riverton PD, who are here with us, and the Bureau of Indian Affairs, and the Wyoming Division of Criminal Investigation. So with that, again, we would like to highlight that this is a part of President Trump's Operation Take Back America, which has empowered law enforcement on a new level and our prosecutors to utilize our resources to hold criminals, violent criminals, and criminals that are trying to poison our kids accountable for their actions. These defendants that with this operation will be charged with the most serious provable offenses, and they can be fully prosecuted to the greatest extent of the law. With that, before I end it, I'd like to turn it over to our supervisor for this region with the FBI, Tyler McCurdy. Tyler, come on over here.
Thank you, U.S. Attorney Smith. Good afternoon. My name is Tyler McCurdy. I am the Assistant Special Agent in charge of the FBI's Denver Field Office. The FBI is focused on ending violent crime in our communities and holding drug dealers accountable. Over the past 2 days here in Fremont County, more than 90 FBI personnel work together alongside our partners to target illegal drugs and guns in this community. During this operation, we executed 12 federal search warrants, 1 federal arrest warrant, and 3 local arrest warrants. Our Wyoming-based FBI personnel were supplemented by FBI SWAT from Salt Lake and FBI SWAT from Denver, as well as FBI tactical assets from Quantico, Virginia. As U.S. Attorney Smith mentioned, we partner with federal, state, and local agencies through the Rocky Mountain Safe Trails Task Force, which is based here in Lander, Wyoming. Our partners include the Bureau of Indian Affairs, the Wyoming Division of Criminal Investigation, the Wyoming Highway Patrol, the Fremont County Sheriff's Office, and the Riverton Police Department. Illegal guns and drugs affect all of our communities, including Fremont County and the Wind River Indian Reservation. And this is why we work in task forces with our partners across the United States to impact crime everywhere, no matter how large or small the community. Over the last year, the Rocky Mountain Safe Trails Task Force has had many successes. For example, earlier this month, 2 illegal aliens were sentenced for drug trafficking and possession of illegal weapons. Our task force proved that the 2 illegal aliens were bringing large quantities of methamphetamine up from Denver to sell here in Fremont County. At the time of their arrest, we seized an additional 5 illegal guns, cocaine, and a pound of methamphetamine. In July, another success for the task force, 2 women were sentenced after reporting 6 pounds of methamphetamine to Fremont County from Las Vegas, Nevada. These drug crimes lead to a cycle of violence that we aim to break. Many people have died here in Fremont County as a result of this cycle, through drug-related homicides or through unintentional overdoses. The impact this drug epidemic has on families in this area and throughout the country cannot be overstated. In the coming weeks, you will see more results of our work from the last 2 days play out in state and federal court, as well as through additional enforcement actions by the Safe Trails Task Force. We will continue to work closely with our partners to keep our communities safe and tackle violent crime. We will continue to update you on the progress. So thank you.
So I'd like to close with this. We'd like to thank all of our law enforcement officers for all they do to keep our communities safe. We are fighting for you, and I have a message for the bad actors out there. Those that are poisoning our kids, they're trying to bring in meth and fentanyl and other drugs. We're coming for you.